Bayesianism says that when you receive new information, your credence in a given theory should be determined by three factors. The first two factors are how strongly the theory predicts the information, and how strongly other theories predict the information. The third factor is how probable your theory is to begin with. All the prediction stuff tells you whether your credence in the theory should go up or down and by how much. But to know what your final credence actually is, you need to know where it started. Whenever we talk about how a credence changes after getting some new information, the original credence is called the prior probability, and the final credence is called the posterior probability. For example, say you find a gold coin in your house. That's odd. You don't own any gold coins. Here's a theory of how it got there. A magic leprechaun really wanted to give you one of his gold coins. This theory predicts very strongly the existence of the gold coin. And all the other theories you can think of don't predict the existence of a gold coin very well. So your credence in this magic leprechaun should go up. But the problem is, your credence in this magic leprechaun started out so small that even after this boost, it's still super duper tiny. Its prior probability was so small that its posterior ended up being small as well. To further clarify this idea, let's look at some more examples. You see an object floating in midair. The theory of gravity doesn't predict this. But even though this is a failed prediction, the prior probability of the theory of gravity is so high to start with that the posterior probability still stays high after this observation, and we look for wires or magnets instead of finding a new theory. You scratch a lottery ticket and find the winning lottery numbers. Even though the prior probability that you would win the lottery is low, the new information in this case can give you a reasonably high posterior nonetheless. It wouldn't be crazy to believe that you won the lottery if you were holding the winning lottery ticket,